Welcome to Blade of Light. Daniel Lane here, showing off some of our latest commissions. This is a Saberforge Reborn with Acid Etch finish, Nanobiscotti V3 with Cree XPE2 wired for purple with white flash on clash. Saber features realistic ignition and deactivation sounds, as well as swing and clash. Saber has a removable 3D printed chassis from G.O.T.H Designs that allows access to the SD card, allowing you to change out sound fonts and modify sensitivity settings. Next up in our list is a Saberforge Fallen, also with Nanobiscotti V3 with Cree wired for red with white flash on clash. Last but not least, we have two Saberforge Sentinels wired with Nanobiscotti V3 and Cree XPE2s. Hey everyone, Daniel Lane here with Blade of Light Customs. Thank you for tuning in. We really appreciate your continued love and support. If you like what we do, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook at Put Daniel in Star Wars and Instagram at Daniel_in_Star Wars. At Blade of Light Customs, we're dedicated to quality, personalization, and durability. So be sure to consider us for your next saber-related project. Thanks again for tuning in. Get out, have fun, and live heroically.